This Earth Day, sustainability is not just a goal for our industry, it is a responsibility. At IW Technologies, we believe the most powerful systems we build aren't just digital, they're sustainable. In 2025 alone, we recycled more than 650 tons of equipment, keeping over 1.3 million pounds out of landfills. And in 2026, we've already diverted 566,887 pounds, which is more than 280 tons, with plenty more ahead.
When you walk into this warehouse, you're seeing sustainability in action. Every piece of equipment we handle is an opportunity to do things the right way. When a product reaches its end of life, we part it out, separated by categories, whether it's metal, aluminum, glass, mainboards, and then we ship it out to our facility, which is R2 certified.
Happy Earth Day from IW Technologies, driving sustainability across the technology lifecycle.